We've come to this lonely little patch in Irwindale, California to see one of the great American success stories. As many of you know, the city of Irwindale has been fighting with founders David Tran to shut this factory down because many complain that it smells and it bothers our eyes. So David Tran decided to fight back by offering tours to the public at no charge during harvest season so we could all see exactly how much the factory smells. We're here to take our tour today.
We're taking a tour of the Sriracha factory, a self-guided tour.
Yeah, we're here at Huy Fong Foods here in Irwindale, California, the center of the controversy over Sriracha sauce. We're now going into the Holy of Holies. This is the chili grinding room. Here's where they fill up a giant bath full of the chili, mixed ground chilies up. So not only do they make their chili sauce here in Irwindale, but they also make their own bottles. This is the bottle making machine right here. Take those blanks through here, heats them up, and then these guys blow the bottles through these big injector machines. And then they'll come out on the other side. You can see the bottles zooming by in that little conveyor belt right there. Here they come out all finished after those white machines print the labels on the bottles, and the bottles come out on the conveyor belt. After the bottles are made, the bottles are then brought to this machine where the machine fills up the bottles with the Sriracha sauce, and then they go off on the line here ready to go off and be packed into boxes for shipping. Out here you can see where the bottles come out of the bottling room to the wall, and they're packed into cases right here by this machine. And right next door, this big yellow robot packs them onto pallets.
But today they only have the one, which makes 80,000 bottles a day. The bottles aren't many. So if they run the 9, that's like 720,000 bottles of sauce in one day.
Wow. Hey Tim, has the smell bothered you at all in this tour?
No.
Not at all, huh?
No? Yeah, no.
I think you're more bothered by having to wear all that netting on your head than the smell, huh?
Yeah, and my beard.
And your beard, yeah. Of course, since this is Saturday, they only have one line running for the tours that are coming through. The other 8 lines down there are dormant on the weekends.
You know, I don't know. So the expansion.
Yeah, there's no trucks today, but this is where all the trucks would line up to be loaded with Sriracha sauce to take all around the world. Of Of course, when the tour is over, we have to exit this way to go through the Rooster Room, which is the gift shop. For those on the Irwindale City Council, this banner flies proudly over the exit. Of course, we have to look at all the unique gift items here. Look at that, Tim.
A little spicy.
A little spicy, huh? At the end of the tour, they got the free samples for everybody of different things. I'm gonna try that chocolate over there. Those are some delicious snacks right there. Now we're gonna go over there and get some Sriracha ice cream. So we got the Sriracha ice cream here, which Tim is gonna be man enough to try for us. How's that, Tim?
Good. It's an interesting flavor. It tastes like garlic ice cream.
Garlic ice
You
cream.
try it, hon.
Huh?
You try it.
Okay. So I'm gonna try the Sriracha ice cream here. Very good. You know, I don't taste any heat at all in the ice cream. Not like the popcorn over there, but kind of garlicky. Pick up a free t-shirt and a bottle of Sriracha sauce.